New oven. I'm not used to it yet. Yeah, welcome back to another episode of The Grumpy Chef. Like Grandma said in the last vlog. Oh, are you going to be making chocolate chip cookies? Or was it oatmeal raisin cookies? Whatever. I don't know. How about I just make them both? Same time. In one batch. Doesn't that look real appetizing? So that's one stick of softened margarine, and then we stick, well, looks like a cup of brown sugar. Where did that knife go? Just a few minutes ago. There it is. So, 3/4 cup firmly packed brown sugar, also known as a half cup, plus a 1/4 cup, because they don't make a 3/4 cup measure. And then half a cup more of diabetes. Good enough. And 2 eggs. About as unfresh from a chicken's butt as it gets. Straight out of the store. There's 2 eggs. A teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, Millie, where are you? There you are. Alright. Yep, teaspoon. One and a half cups all-purpose flour. I will be using gluten-free simply because some people in this family have problems with gluten. More of a sensitivity than anything else, but yeah, best not to be doing anything that's exclusionary, so alrighty, teaspoon baking soda. teaspoon of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of salt. Close enough. 3 cups of oatmeal. One, 2, 3-ish. Cup of raisins, but not a crucial measurement, therefore it shall be an arbitrary measurement. Because I said these were going to be chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, dump the remainders of this bag in there. Because I'm lazy, I'm not going to blend that myself. That is entirely too thick, so I think this recipe needs to be amended a little bit. I'm going to add more butter. Alright, butter added. Change of paddle. Much better. Much, much better. There is absolutely no point to buttering a pan when you've got parchment paper. Some of you are probably going to get triggered and say, hey, he's doing it wrong. But that's what YouTube's for. Yeah, I remember the time when YouTube was all about whacking your dad in the nuts with a baseball bat and people laughing. Now it's just all about people doing things practical and trying to help other people out so that they learn, and then people in the comment section complaining that they did it wrong. Alright, well, we're going to stick that into a 350 degree preheated oven and pull them out in a little bit and eat some cookies. Step 1, which I'm doing a step last. Well, second to last, because last is eat the cookies. Oh well. We have cookies. Turn around. There we go.